Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a design and apply set of après nails, so you do not have to apply them first and then design them. I'm going to be doing it the opposite way. So I'm starting off by prepping the nails similar to how I would do for press-ons. So I'm buffing the inside of the nail that's going to be applied to my natural nail just like I would with a regular set of extensions. And then here I am buffing the cuticle portion so it looks seamless as possible, since I'm not going to be able to do that after I apply them or use my 5-in-1 bit. And now I'm just shaping the free edge as well as buffing the entirety of the nail so I can prep for the design. And I am applying it or holding it up to my nail just so I can make sure the shape looks as good as possible, since I don't really want to shape it after I design it and mess up the design. So I'm just going to do that with all of the nails and then dust them off. And then I'm going to use this tacky clay to go ahead and apply it to the press-on stand. It's not that I don't want you here. All right, and for my color selection today, I'm going to be using all Madam Glam polishes. I do have 5 polishes here: Pivot, Toffee Break, On My Brown, Your Joke, and Perfect White. I opted for nudes today. I'm really excited for fall. I love fall colors, and that's what I decided to do, even though it's still summer. I don't care. I think they're super cute. They're very opaque. They worked well for this design. So I'm going to be doing a clear nail with just some random flowers all around the nail. And I'm just going to be using my dotting tool to apply these flowers just in a really abstract way at random, just however I see fit. And I do have a coupon code for these polishes as usual. The code is Rebecca SH30_2. It will be in the description box, and there's also a link to go directly to the site. The link will take you directly to the site, and the coupon code will automatically be applied, and you can just choose the pay as you go option if you don't want to become a VIP member. But again, all of that will be in the link in the description box, as well as each color that I used. All of their colors are super opaque, super pretty, so make sure you check them out. And all I'm doing for the flower, the petal design, is just adding a dot to the outer edge of the petal and then dragging it in with the dotting tool. On some of them, I will use a line brush just to make it a little bit skinnier and pointier towards the pistil of the flower. But on a lot of them, I really just use the dotting tool. That's it. Just drag it from the outer edge towards the inner. Think I need you. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. So after I have used pretty much every color, and I just have a variety of different color flowers on each of the nails, I'm just going in with some white and some other colors and just adding some random dots. As well as gold. Some of the center of the flowers will be white, gold, just random colors that I have here, just a mix of everything. No two flowers are the same, and that's how I like it. You know, I like different nails, different abstract, just random colors, random designs.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Bum chase, beach views, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you.
Alright, so now after the design is completed and the nails are fully cured, I'm going in with some base coat. This is Madam Glam's base coat as well. I'm just going to go over each of the nails with that, fully cure that, and then I'm going to go in with their top coat. Now I'm just going in to prep my natural nails. I did push back the cuticles. I don't have a clip of that though, but I'm just going in with my sanding band at 5,000 rotations per minute to remove the shine off my natural nail. I did also have some top coat remaining on there, so I'm just removing all of that. And then I am going to go in with some peel off base coat. I did 2 coats of peel off base coat, so that way the nails could pop right off without any damage to my natural nails. I do also like using that because even after I apply them, like this was just to test to see if it would work. It did, and then I can save the nails to go ahead and use as press-ons later. So after I buffed, or after I used my sanding band, and I just brushed off the nails with some alcohol, and then this is the peel off base coat. It is discontinued on Amazon, but there are several others that you can use. Like I said, I did use 2 coats, and they lasted a day. If you use 1 coat, they'll last longer. If you use more coats, then they can pop right off. Or pretty much if you put your hands, or at least for me, if I put my hands in water, then they'll pop right off. Alright, so after the peel off base coat is completely dried, it does air dry, then I'm just going in to apply the nails like I would as usual. just applying some, this is not extend gel, it's press on gel by Nail Couture. So I'm just applying that on the underside of the nail and then applying the extension to my natural nail at a 45-degree angle, pressing down and flash curing with my XVX hands-free lamp. Since these nails are clear, I did want to be super careful about any spillage underneath. I did not want to be able to see any of that, so I'm just cleaning that up before I cure, which I should do anyway. I do most of the time, but sometimes I get lazy. But like I said, this time made sure to do that, so I'm just wiping it off before it is cured. And then I will apply all of the nails and then go ahead and cure them in the full-size lamp. And this is what it looks like just after applying. I think it looks pretty good for doing the design first and then applying them afterwards. It doesn't look like a press-on would. It's not like bulky at the cuticle area. I think it looks pretty decent. I would definitely do this again. I might try it with like a sheer polish next time versus just clear. And then right now underneath of the nail, I'm just applying some not polished Gloss-It, my favorite top coat, just to make it as glass-like or clear as possible. Now I'm just applying some more Gloss-It polish on top of the nails, and then I'm going to do underneath of all of the nails as well, curing in between both times.
Time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away.
And now to rehydrate cuticles, I'm just applying some cuticle oil. This is the Elixir Cuticle Oil by Madam Glam. Super cute packaging. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you have any video suggestions for the next one. I will be posting another video next Sunday. So I will see you guys then. Bye.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my